In this video, I'm going to show you how to get pepper seed in Grow A Garden in Roblox. So the pepper seed is actually brand new. It's just been added into the game right now with this new pets update. And to actually get it, you want to go to the seed shop. And the only way to get it right now, I believe, is by if you talk to the seed man over here. At the very bottom, you can see, let me just buy this really quick. At the very bottom, you can see you now have a pepper seed. Now, currently it's not in stock, just like with all the different divine seeds like mushroom and grape seed. Of course, you're gonna have to get a bit lucky to actually get it. And once this is in stock, and if you get lucky enough to actually get it, you'll then be able to just buy it in here. I don't know how much it costs. In case you do know, please let us know down in the comments down below, and we'll thank you for it, because currently I have no idea. I'm assuming it's 10 million, but maybe it could be more or less. So that's the only way as of right now. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.